It's so easy to fly. That's the main thing. I'm Glyn Jones. I'm an owner pilot of a Bell 505. This is my third Bell 505. We're in the construction industry. We very rarely land in an airport, so a helicopter is the only way. More often than not, we cover our sites in a couple of days instead of 10 days. We met some consultants up in Leeds. There was 5 of us in the helicopter. The meeting was due at 1 o'clock. An hour and a half before we took off, we were there for time. And then we were all back before 5 o'clock. And if it wasn't for the 505, it would have taken us the best part of 12, 16 hours on the road. It's win-win. From my experience, other brands of helicopter, Bell has streets ahead. We've got a cap contract as well. We should never be on stop, and we haven't been. It's brilliant. A 505 is so simple and so easy to fly. It's a very, very good machine for that. We have an autopilot, yes, on this one and the last one. The autopilot is fantastic. When you jump into the 505, all the power that's there helps everything. It is the best, no doubt about it.